Hey guys, I'm finally back doing this unboxing for the DJC-STS1 DJ stand from Pioneer. Yeah, like it was delayed. I've had to wait like an extra month and a half from waiting to be delivered. Anyway, this is the unboxing for it. Such a big box for... Oh, hang on, what's in there? What the hell? Okay, the packaging, yeah. They put a box in a box and then they put the unit. Crikey, yes, it's quite weighty. It's quite a heavy unit. Let's just put this down here for now. Rightio. And there it is out of the box. It's quite weighty. Obviously it needs to do its job and be sturdy to keep your unit in place on top of it. This is why I wanted to buy this product, and it cost me £109. So this is the unboxing of it. I'll probably be doing another video guide on setting it up. So yeah. One, two, right, that knife over there. So yeah, anyway, here we go. I'll show you the back of it quickly as well. But yeah, that's the information on the back. I'm doing this unboxing in my bedroom this time around. It's my first unboxing in my bedroom. So, I don't know why you'd need the support and stuff, because you know it's just a stand. You don't physically use it and stuff, so you shouldn't really need a warranty really, but I guess it's got one. Can't read it anyway at the minute because I ain't on English. Yeah, warranty. That's funny. It's just a metal stand basically. I guess it's probably for the actual like arm part on it, like the adjustable parts on it. If they give up on the stand, I guess that's your warranty there. I just don't feel like it's needed for myself, but I suppose it's good for what you pay for it, you know. Anyway, it's quite weighty, quite a weighty unit. So yeah, I'm gonna pack this in now. Yeah, after this I'll be doing another guide on setting it up to the DJing booth area here. I don't want this video to run too long. But yeah, this is the unit for the there we go. Right, it's really weighty, really sturdy by the feels of it, so yeah. There we go, folds straight out, so that goes that way. That one goes that way, the twisty ones. That's simple enough. Literally, it's really simple to set up by the feels of it. You got your adjustable one here for your how you want it to be. And you can screw it back up. You've got one here too. I guess this fully comes out. Or maybe you don't need to. Yeah, no, fully comes out so that you can adjust the levels of how high you want it. Okay, don't want it. It's a bit where it's new. I don't know what happened there, but it's not moving at the minute. Anyway, I'll be doing another unboxing on setting it up to the area. But anyway, that was the unboxing for the DJC-STS1 stand from Pioneer. It's currently, well, £109. At the bottom it's got some sort of rubbery type feet. It's really well built, really heavy metal, got some caution stuff on there. Warning, don't pinch your fingers. I like that little subtle warning on there from Pioneer, it's cool. I like the naming on the back, gives off a little bit extra for what you pay. Also there's a bit of a rubber piece here too to support your DJ units or your laptop that you can put on there. You can put either the DJC-STS1 sampler pad controller, or you can put the toe-raise sampler, or even your laptop on there. So, and probably a couple more pieces of gear, maybe even like a small like 2-channel, possibly you might even be able to fit a 4-channel controller on there, like DJC-STS and all that. You might be able to fit that one of them on there as well, but it should still be able to take the weight of the unit. So yeah, anyway, that was the unboxing for that. All the best, guys. Have a good one.